running, and I give you an update on where we're at with the project, so stay tuned. Here's an update on the radiator position in relation to the hood. And the radiator cap was hitting right here, and what I did to test that out is I put a piece of tape here and put some grease on there. Closed the hood, and there was grease showing up here, so it was definitely hitting, and it was definitely too high. And so here's the final position. I actually bought new radiator mounts, the same as the ones I had before, and they're actually flipped as opposed to the way I had them before. So this dropped the radiator, I would say, probably a good inch, maybe an inch and a half down. And I had to make custom mounts down there, and actually had to undo some of the work I did before, welding on some high strength bolts on there, which took me absolutely forever to drill through. I actually had to buy cobalt drill bits. You can't really see in there, but that's the new mount on each side right there. So there's a custom frame rail right here somebody did, which is a box section steel that goes all the way across the front. You can see it there. And I had to undo the mounts I had made previously and weld it in there. And like I said, just drill some holes, and I got some rubber washers in there to act as the bottom mount. And it's very sturdy, so we're doing pretty well. My shroud doesn't really clear anymore because I move. You can see that's the distance the radiator actually moved forward. The radiator was touching that before, so I got to make some sort of shroud to fix that. I had to recut all these hoses, and I got a flexible hose down there for the time being. And I just ran it up the temperature, and there's no leaks. So thanks for that. I'll just run it real quick again, just for the video's sake. Should start right up. It does run pretty rough at first due to the camshaft specifications on it and some of the other things that were done to the motor. This motor was originally turbo. I did play with the idle a little bit tonight, so it seems to be idling pretty good. Better than it was. It was really rough, probably 300 or 400 RPMs, and I got it up to 900 RPMs by adjusting the carburetor a little bit. So the plan is to go back to turbo on this motor, and I have somebody trying to get me parts for that. I've done a deal with a guy, and the deal doesn't seem to be working out too well yet for some custom turbo parts for this. So I already have parts and pieces from the old setup, which I will reuse, but that's going to be a future project for this. Right now I really want to get it on the road and driving after 8 years of building the thing off and on throughout all the stuff I've been through. I really want to get it on the road. So that's where I'm at the moment, just to give you a little bit of an update. See you later. If you liked the video, like and subscribe.